Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about the handover acceptance of subgrade construction. Before the subgrade handover acceptance, it is necessary to perform subgrade rectification. So, let's first learn about subgrade rectification. Subgrade rectification refers to the construction activities carried out to repair the appearance and local defects of the subgrade top surface. Slope protection projects, drainage projects, environmental protection facilities, and man-made structures caused by human or natural factors after the completion of subgrade construction. Therefore, the purpose of the rectification is to ensure that the subgrade engineering meets or exceeds the technical and quality standards stipulated in the design documents and the technical specifications for construction of highway subgrades. The work content of subgrade rectification includes the following points. 1. Rectification of the top layer of the subgrade surface as stipulated by the standards. 2. Rectification of embankment and excavation side slopes. 3. Rectification of permanent drainage systems. 4. Rectification of protective and retaining structures. Highway engineering acceptance is divided into two stages: handover acceptance and completion acceptance. Handover acceptance means that after the completion of the contracted work, it is accepted and can be handed over to the employer. Intermediate handover acceptance means that after the completion of a certain work process, it is accepted and can proceed to the next construction process. Completion acceptance is different from handover acceptance. Completion acceptance is done 2 years after handover acceptance, and after being accepted, it is handed over to the Operation Management Department. In the handover acceptance phase, the main focus is to check whether the participating units have constructed according to the design drawings and evaluate whether the project quality is qualified. The basis for handover acceptance mainly includes the following points. 1. Implementing measures for completion handover acceptance of highway engineering. 2. Quality inspection and evaluation standards for highway engineering. 3. Approved project proposals and feasibility study report. 4. Approved preliminary design, construction drawings, and design change documents of the project. 5. Construction permit. 6. Binding documents and contract text. 7. Relevant approvals and instructions from administrative authorities. So, what conditions are needed for a work process to undergo handover acceptance? Let's take a look. 1. Construction completed according to design documents or changed drawings. 2. The project quality reaches the contract agreement after self-inspection. 3. Subgrade handover drawings and self-inspection materials are complete and clear. 4. Central piles, side piles, and necessary additional piles have been restored. Once the work process meets the basic conditions for handover acceptance, the following steps are carried out for handover acceptance. 1. The construction unit conducts self-inspection and applies for handover acceptance. 2. The construction unit organizes a pre-inspection and informs the construction unit in writing about the pre-inspection results and existing problems, proposing a deadline for rectification. 3. The construction unit carries out rectification and supplements materials, conducts a second self-inspection, and then reapplies for handover acceptance. 4. The construction unit presides over and entrusts the Provincial Municipal Quality Inspection Department to carry out handover acceptance. With the participation of the construction unit, the supervisory unit, and the dispatch of technical personnel, test and measurement personnel to assist the acceptance staff. 5. The construction unit presides over the handover acceptance meeting and announces the preliminary inspection results and the start and end dates of the defect liability period. For subgrade engineering, during handover acceptance, the construction party needs to prepare the following materials: control points, leveling points and data, subgrade plane geometric dimensions, subgrade centerline and longitudinal elevation, subgrade cross-slope setting values, subgrade compaction and deflection test values, measured values of subgrade evenness, construction processes and records of high-field subgrade settlement observation, bridge deck elevation, length, width, evenness, measured values of cross-slope, and other data. The handover acceptance personnel are formed by the construction unit or project management company into an acceptance team and presided over, with participation from the construction unit, design representative, supervising engineer, test and inspection personnel, heads of the subgrade and pavement construction unit, and relevant technical personnel. Handover acceptance is divided into 3 groups. The comprehensive group is mainly responsible for overall inspection and appearance checks. The field group is responsible for field measurement, testing, and random checks. And the data group is responsible for reviewing indoor data and statistics. After the completion of handover acceptance, a certain acceptance result will be given, and the project quality level of handover acceptance will be divided into qualified and unqualified. Projects with a quality score of 75 or more are qualified, and those with less than 75 are unqualified. The project quality defects and other residual issues raised during handover acceptance are to be rectified by the construction unit within a limited period as instructed by the project legal entity. Projects that have passed handover acceptance should be arranged for maintenance management. In this lesson, we have learned about the handover acceptance of subgrade construction. I believe everyone has gained some knowledge. I hope this lesson has answered some of your questions about handover acceptance and laid the foundation for deeper learning in the future. Thank you.